Hi guys, this is Dr. Nida with Keys of Health. Strokes are terrible and silent strokes are even worse. In this video, I want to talk to you about what silent strokes are and what you can do to avoid them. So let's start by talking about what is a silent stroke. Silent stroke is a minor stroke that has no outward symptoms and the person doesn't even know they have suffered from a stroke, but it causes damage to the brain and puts the person at an increased risk for a major stroke in the future. Some people are at higher risk of developing silent strokes than others. These people are those who have diabetes, high blood pressure, obesity, cholesterol, metabolic syndrome, or sleep apnea. Interestingly, there is something common in all of these conditions. They are all symptoms of a problem, and the problem is high insulin levels in the body. So let's get right to business and talk about what you can do to prevent clotting and eventual stroke. First thing is omega-3 fatty acids. They are found in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, herring, and sardines. Cod liver oil, krill oil, and other fish oils are also great sources of omega-3, which contains both DHA and EPA. You need both for proper neuroprotection. Your brain thrives on these fatty acids. They help the brain structure its function and repairs wear and tear, which is a normal process of life. Second thing you need is exercise. Exercise is very important to increase blood circulation in your body. Blood circulation in the body will lead to increased blood circulation in the brain, which will prevent clotting and strokes. Third thing, and I cannot stress this enough, is garlic. Garlic has amazing properties, including anti-clotting properties. In fact, pharmaceutical companies are trying to extract the phytonutrient to use in drugs. Garlic, especially raw garlic, can be a great blood thinner. If you take prescription blood thinners, they can prevent certain nutrients from being absorbed in the body. So you definitely want to resort to natural blood thinners like garlic. Another thing is alkaline water. Alkaline water is better at restoring rehydration in the body and for blood viscosity. In fact, water fasting is recommended to dissolve blood clots. If you drink enough water as a habit, it can prevent many cardiovascular and neurological problems from developing in the first place. Alkaline water has an added advantage since it can help regulate body's pH levels, alkalizes the body, and protects it from further diseases. Vitamin E is extremely important. You want vitamin E, which are derived from natural sources, not synthetic sources. Vitamin E is extremely important in maintaining overall health of the body and especially neurological health. I'm going to share on Instagram and Facebook some of the natural sources of vitamin E that you can have. The next thing you want to really look into is black seed oil. It is a very, very potent oil and a great blood thinner. You should really look into it as a replacement for your prescription blood thinners. I would actually advise against taking it while you're taking prescription blood thinners. That's how strong it actually is. In any case, discuss with your doctor before you start on it. Last but not least, multivitamins and mineral supplements. No matter how healthy your diet is, our food is missing vital nutrients and trace minerals. You should consider taking a good multivitamin and mineral supplement. But again, take a supplement that contains vitamins and minerals from natural sources or food sources, not synthetic. If you have any questions about this particular topic, please feel free to get in touch with me. I will recommend to you what I recommend to my clients and what I personally take myself. This is it for this video. I really hope that you incorporate these habits, these supplements and dietary recommendations in your daily routine. You will see a huge difference and you will protect yourself and your loved ones from a terrible, terrible condition that is completely avoidable. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Please share and like the video. I will see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.